Imagine making $1,000 per week without ever showing your face on camera. That's the power of YouTube automation, and in the next 30 days, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it. Look, if you're a complete beginner with zero knowledge about YouTube automation, this video series was made specifically for you. I'm not just going to show you how to create passive income channels. I'll transform you into someone who can sell these skills on Fiverr, Upwork, and other freelancing platforms for serious money. Here's my promise. Follow my twice-weekly videos for the next month, and you'll go from complete beginner to YouTube automation expert. No fluff, no outdated techniques, just proven strategies that work in 2025. But before we begin, have you hit that subscribe button yet? Do it now and comment "ready" below so I can see who's committed to this journey. And stay until the end of this video series. I'll be revealing my exact client hunting strategy that generates consistent $2,000 plus deals. Today, we're starting with the foundation, the top 3 AI tools that will transform your script writing process. These tools alone can save you 5+ hours on every video you create. Pay close attention, missing even one key detail could cost you hundreds in potential earnings. Let's dive in. Number 1, Claude AI. The first tool we have for script writing is Claude AI. When you want to use it, simply open Claude AI via Google, where you will see a sign-up option such as Login with Google. I will demonstrate by logging into Claude AI with my Google account and giving it all necessary access. It will take a little bit of time to load, and once it does, you can see this is the interface of Claude AI. If you look at the top, you'll notice it is showing we are using a free plan. Should you want to upgrade, simply click on the upgrade button, which will take you to another tab where you can see the Pro version costs $20 per month, while the Team version is $25 per month. When I click on Subscribe to Pro, another tab will open showing the benefits of the Pro version, and here they will ask you to enter your details if you want to purchase. If you don't want to upgrade, you can simply click to go back to the main interface. When you move your cursor towards the left side, you can see it displays our previous chats with Claude. To begin a fresh conversation, you can click on New Chat to start a new chat. In this interface, you have the option to choose a conversation style, and I've selected explanatory for our purposes. Additionally, version selection is also available, such as Claude 3.7 Sonnet that I have already selected, but you can select whichever version you prefer. Now in the chat section, I will enter details about myself, explaining that my name is Bees Brain AI and I have a health-related channel where I upload health-related tips. Furthermore, I will provide it with specific guidelines, instructing it to consider itself a script writer and create a script for my channel. I will also request it to write a hooky intro along with calls to action throughout the script. Remember that you can train it according to your own style and preferences, but keep in mind that before starting, it's important to train it properly with clear instructions. Once you've entered all this information, hit enter to proceed. After providing this context, I will specify my title as 10 Tips to Lose Body Fat and hit enter again. As you can see, it has started generating the script right away. Notice how it begins with our requested hooky intro, followed by a call to action, and then presents the 10 ways to lose fat in a proper, organized pattern, concluding with another call to subscribe. You can easily copy that entire script and use it directly for your videos. Number 2, ChatGPT. I am sure 99% of people have already heard about ChatGPT, so let's learn how you can effectively write scripts using this popular tool. To begin, open ChatGPT through Google. When you first visit, you'll need to sign up by entering your Gmail, mobile number, name, and date of birth. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you can log in for future visits. Since I have already created an account, I will be automatically signed in. This is the interface of ChatGPT. At the bottom, you can see the prompt section where you can enter your requests and instructions. Notice that there are different options also available, such as the ability to upload files or documents directly from your gallery. Next to that is the web search feature, which functions like a live Google search, and beside that is the reasoning feature. On the left side, you can see all your previous chats, similar to what we saw in Claude AI. At the top, you'll notice there are already created GPTs available. These have been created and trained by experts for specific purposes. Let's search here for script, and look, you can see script for YouTube videos appears in the results. I will click on that, and our specialized GPT for script writing becomes available. Now I will place the same prompts that I previously pasted in Claude AI. After entering my instructions, I will click enter, and ChatGPT will understand my requirements. Next, I will paste my video title for which I want to generate a script, 10 Ways to Lose Body Fat, and hit enter. It will immediately start generating a script about my requested topic. Look at how comprehensive our script is, featuring a hooky introduction, strategic calls to action, and detailed explanations of all 10 ways to lose body fat followed by another call to action. Personally, I think this script is even better than what we got from Claude AI, so honestly, in this comparison, I would prefer ChatGPT for script writing. You'll also find an option available for sharing your chat, similar to Claude AI. Additionally, you can rename your chat by clicking here on the conversation title, then clicking Rename and giving it a descriptive name for easy reference later. It's important to note that we are currently using the free version, which has limited daily access. If you need to generate more scripts daily, you would need to purchase a pro version, which costs approximately $20 per month. And that was our second tool, ChatGPT, for efficient script writing in YouTube automation. Number 3, DeepSeek. To access DeepSeek, you'll need to search for it on Google. Before you can start using it, you need to create an account. Since I already have an account, I will be directly logged in to DeepSeek. You'll notice its interface is quite similar to ChatGPT, but it has one significant advantage. It's a completely free tool. On the left side, you can see our previous chats record, just like in ChatGPT and Claude AI. At the bottom of the sidebar, you'll find your profile section, which contains all your account details. In the prompt section at the bottom of the screen, I will input my prompt about script writing and hit enter. DeepSeek will then ask me to provide a video title. I've provided the title 10 Ways to Lose Body Fat and clicked enter. Now it has started generating the script. Wow, look at this. I think this one might be the best of the 3 tools we've covered because its hook is extremely compelling. Also, look below at how well-structured the entire script is. If you're not satisfied with the results, you have the option to regenerate it. Let me show you how regeneration works. It has started regenerating the script. This time the intro is also good, but I think it has written a somewhat shorter script. I will ask it to write in more detail and hit enter. Now it has started writing the script with full explanations. You can see it's 3 to 4 times longer than the previous script. Our script is now ready, and you can use it directly for your videos. To rename our chat for future reference, you can edit from here and rename it to something descriptive. And that's it. We've covered 3 AI tools for script writing. In the next video, we will cover 3 AI voiceover tools for YouTube automation. Make sure to subscribe and like this video to stay updated with our YouTube automation series.